welcome back to another video. I hope you're having a great day. Today I am kicking off my Summer Decorate With Me series and I'm standing in my entryway, so that is where we're gonna start. So let's just dive right in. So with summer just around the corner, it is time for me to switch up my decor again. I just love this time of year when I can open the door, leave it open for the entire day, let the sun shine in. And well, I do hope that we will get a lot of sunshine this summer, because last summer it wasn't all that good. But I am ready for this season. Now I am starting in my entryway because that is the first place I always like to start my decorating and work my way through the house. And this is the first thing you see when you enter my home, so it gives me the inspiration that I need to decorate the rest of my home. Now I am getting in touch with my inner glam girl. If you've been following me, you know that I'm a glam girl at heart. So I'm going to be doing a lot of gold touches and I'm so excited for that. So well, first I'm going to wipe everything down, because you know how I like to decorate. I love to start with a clean slate. So I've put everything away, giving it a wipe down, and then I'm gonna start decorating. Like I mentioned, I want to add touches of gold in my decor, so I'm going to switch out the console table knobs. Now I had these crystal knobs that I really didn't like, so I just thought, why not spray paint them gold? They're really plain, but they just add that pop of gold that I want for this console table. So I'm just going to switch these out. This is how they look. I think they look really pretty, simple, but yet that elegant touch of gold. I'm also changing out the lamp that I had here before. I'm using this glass lamp that I used to have on my console table next to my dining table. I really wanted a white lamp. I did a haul on one not too long ago and I wanted to put it here, but I really like this lampshade, and this lampshade was really too small for that white lamp, so I decided to use this glass lamp instead. I'm going to be using these 3 books. The 2 white ones I did a haul on. I think they are so pretty. The 3rd book, the blue book, was also a recent thrift find. I didn't haul that one. But anyway, I'm going to be using them as a riser for this gold vase. I actually spray painted it gold. You might remember this haul that I did a while back. I purchased this for 95 cents from my thrift store. I really liked the look of this vase, but I didn't care for the color, so I spray painted it gold and I think it turned out really pretty. These pretty champagne color picks I've had for a while. They're still new. I haven't used them before. I actually bought them around Christmas time, I think 2 years ago. And I actually got them for my Christmas tree, but I haven't used them before in my Christmas tree or in my decor for that matter. So I thought I would use them now because they go really well with the gold that I'm adding. this little tray I recently thrifted, and I didn't show it in the haul because I don't think it was anything special. I got it for $1.50, and actually I did get it for my kitchen to put my soap and my hand cream dispenser on it, but I can use it anywhere, so I thought I would start using it here in my entryway. Now these pretty decorative rocks, I love these. They were also a thrift find, and I got these really a while back. I think over 3 years ago. I got them for 25 cents a piece, and I have never used these before, you guys. Can you believe that? I still have some decor that I've never used before. So everything I'm trying to see that I can use in my decor now. And same goes for these two pillow covers. I think they are so pretty. I've had them for a few years now, and I don't think I've ever shown you them before. But I think they go so well with the style that I'm going for right now. So I thought I would bring these out. And this is how this space turned out. I really love this. I think it is simple, it is elegant and chic, and not too much going on, and I'm really loving the gold. Leave me a comment below, let me know what you think. And now I'm moving on to the extension of my entryway, and here you get a little behind the scene. I just moved everything from the entryway to this space. So usually when you see me picking up stuff and putting them away, I'm just moving all that stuff to another area, making that a clutter. So that is just off camera. If I have to put them away, it's gonna take me a long time, and it will take too much time to make a video. So that's just the way how I do it, and maybe all the other creators as well. I don't know how they do it, but this is how I do it. Now, just as I changed out the knobs in my entryway, I wanted to change out these handles for gold ones. Or I was thinking of spray painting them gold, but I didn't want to do that because I know gold is not going to be permanent for me. So I'm still looking for some gold or some brass or some other color handles that I can spray paint gold to change out for this credenza. And here is that lamp that I recently hauled, and as you can see, I spray painted it white. I really love the light color, and the reason is I would have gone with black, but I know I would have spray painted over it again at some point. So I decided just to go with white because that is something that I will never get tired of. Since I thrifted a few new books, I have more to decorate with. So I'm using these two here. The white one is a recent thrift find, and the black one I already had. And this vase, you guys, I can never get enough of this. I think it is so pretty. Now, you might remember these gold pigs. I did a haul on these last fall, and I think they are so pretty. I've never used them ever since. And this Monstera pig is also a piece that I already had, and actually I purchased it together with this vase, or I purchased them at the same store. So in case you're wondering, no, I didn't go out and buy all this stuff just now. I already had them, but I'm just using them now for the first time. You saw me haul these chain pieces too, and I decided not to spray paint them. I just left them white. I think they are very neutral and they would go with any decor like this. Here I'm laying out some vase fillers that I'm going to be using for this bowl. And this is also a recent thrift find. You saw that in my last video. Now I really tried to use everything that I recently thrifted. It was really hard and some items I didn't get to use. But this bowl, I wanted to spray paint it, and I still do actually. But for now I think it works great tying in with the black book. And lastly, to complete this entire look, I'm adding these two candle holders. Now here's just something unexpected. I already had this video edited and all and uploaded to my channel and scheduled to go live. But I had to take it down because these gold handles finally came in the mail. You guys, I ordered these and I wasn't sure if I was gonna get them on time. But I absolutely love the elegant touch that they give this credenza. I love the simplicity. I didn't want to go too much. I didn't want anything high glossy. So I really love this matte gold, and this really finishes off this look completely. So leave me a comment below, let me know what you think. That is going to be it for this video, and here is the final result. I am really loving all the gold details. Let me know down in the comments below what you think. Would you go with this style, or are you more of a silver girl? I love all metal colors. Now I'm gonna wrap this video up. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe in case you haven't done so already. So for now, I want to thank you so much for watching. I always appreciate you stopping by, and I see you in the next one. Bye!